Morning. So back at the Monte today. She's lifted up now. I painted the spots that I opened up the other day with etching primer. So trying to keep those from rusting, with the humidity that we have here. So if I crank something open, I'm trying to make sure that I cover it up. Got the trunk lid off. There we go. Trunk lid's off. Start working on repairing the trunk lid, getting the old cracked up spoiler off it, and there's some rust on the inside I got to fix. So get that going, and then I've got to take the rest of this apart, which I got to get underneath it. But the big thing today is to get the wheels off and get the backing plates exposed so that I can get those painted, because I have the parts coming in tomorrow for the rear brakes. So I get the rear brakes done and then go up to the front. We got rotors coming in tomorrow. We've got new calipers and we got pads and everything to put it together, and then we'll need hoses. And then we can bleed it, and then we'll write that brakes right off the list. So just doing that while I'm waiting for parts, working on cleaning the car off, fixing spots I find, getting it taped, doing the things that I need to do to move forward on getting this thing painted. As well, I need to get busy on the engine. Engine's got to be reassembled. I need to put the Holley oil pan on it, because when I crack that hood open, I got to get it ready to stick the new motor in. So the hood's going to get open for some body work damage that was done to the hood. They flattened out some of the edges, so it's hitting on the fenders when it closes and making a mess. So I need to fix that. So that's on the list for things I'm doing today. I'll keep you going as I make progress. So what did I find out? So I took this wheel off, and this is the way we sit right here. So there's no parts on the backing plate, and this could be bad. So I may have to pull this axle apart, which it looks like it needs a seal anyways, and then put a new backing plate on. That is ripped and nasty, so I'm gonna have to take a look at that. Shocks obviously shot. Frame is in good shape. On the front, we have drilled slotted rotors that are rusted. I don't think I can save those, but I'm going to take a look at them, see if I can scuff them up, see if they'll come up. I did buy new ones just in case. Caps missing. Bearings in question. So then I come over here. This one, caps there. Bearings better. Still, they look like brand new rotors. I'm just gonna have to clean the rust off because it's been sitting. Hoses are intact, so that's good. And we have new calipers. Like I said, did get new rotors, but I may have to return them. I'm hopeful that the person who was working on this, it looks like new spring kit. I don't see leaky wheel cylinders. Brake line is newish, been put on. Yeah, shocks need to go. So the brake drum, it looks new, pretty new, but I'm not sure I want to take the chance. I don't want a pulsating pedal. So I'm gonna hold that as a spare and then use the new brake drums. So now that I got it up in the air, I can get underneath and start pulling this bumper off, so that I can get the rest of the parts off the back. The G-body, you gotta have the bumper off. This has gotta come off in order to get this off. To get these off, to get everything completely removed so I can get it all painted. So, big job there, but I've got it half unbolted right now, so shouldn't be too big of a job to continue. So, parts come in tomorrow. We can start making some more progress.